Hi, I'm Jessamy.Carter, an account executive at Dell EMC, and today we're here to talk about IT transformation. There are a ton of buzzwords in the market today. IoT, big data analytics, machine learning, digital transformation, and IT transformation. The truth is, these aren't just marketing buzzwords. These are important initiatives facing most businesses today. One of these initiatives, when executed properly, accelerates the rest. Enterprise Strategy Group conducted a study to determine the outcomes IT transformation drives. In this study, they surveyed 1,000 medium to large businesses across the globe. These companies were asked questions around their on-premise infrastructure, automation and workflow, the relationship between IT and the business, and through the study, they found that each customer could fall into one of four buckets, ranging from those with legacy or traditional infrastructures to those who would be considered transformed to support this new digital world. Looking at those businesses who fell in the legacy infrastructure category, only 11% of their IT projects were completed ahead of schedule. 9% of software releases were ahead of schedule. And when it came to business impact, only 44% of the businesses with legacy infrastructures said that they exceeded revenue targets for the year. Before looking at the outcomes at the other end of the spectrum, let's talk about what IT transformation actually is. In order for your business to thrive and compete in this digital economy, IT must become agile. Rather than simply supporting the business or keeping the lights on, IT needs to shift to becoming the business. You need the ability to build and innovate new applications quickly, gain insights through analytics, and drive fast business decisions. But IT organizations struggle to find the resources, money, and time to make that happen. Our customers, for example, are having to meet business SLAs on legacy applications, all while trying to deliver next-gen cloud-based applications, and balancing the two can become a challenge. This is where IT transformation and building a cloud infrastructure come into play. Let's look at the building blocks of IT for a second. It starts with the foundation, which is your hardware. On top of that is your virtualization layer that creates logical pools of compute and storage. On top of that is orchestration that allows you to have unified management of everything below. On top of that are platforms that allow you to run, manage, develop applications in new ways. And at the very top of the stack, you have your applications. Okay, so where do you begin? How do you most effectively transform IT? It starts with the foundation. We call it a modernized infrastructure. Modernizing is all about building new types of infrastructures that will continue to support today's critical applications, as well as the new applications and workloads that's going to drive your business of tomorrow. And the fastest way to modernize is infrastructure called converged and hyperconverged, where you're collapsing your entire infrastructure stack into one single turnkey solution, sustained, managed, supported, all as one. Both CI and HCI result in the fastest time to market, simplified management, and easy scalability, so that IT can shift their time and resources from building and sustaining infrastructure into driving strategic business initiatives. All of Dell EMC systems are built with 5 underlying architectures, the pillars of a modern data center. The first is flash for consistent and predictable performance, denser drives, and better costs. The next is scale out, so that you can get what your business needs today and be able to scale freely based on your business's needs. The next is software defined, decoupling the software and hardware for flexibility and economics. Cloud enabled to achieve a true hybrid cloud strategy. And the last is trust, because you have to make sure that your data is protected and secure from the edge to the core to the cloud. The second phase to IT transformation is automation and orchestration. Take that modernized infrastructure and automate the service delivery to your internal and external customers. Be the application broker to your business units by providing a self-service portal, service catalog, and intelligent management end-to-end. The third and final phase is transforming operations, including your people and processes. Upon completing the first couple steps of the journey, our customers are shifting their skill sets, identifying, retraining, and filling new roles needed for this new approach to IT in the business. They're working with Dell EMC to figure out how to best define this new future, how to change their policies and procedures to deliver value back to application owners and attain the agility necessary to move at the speed of your business. You may be wondering, where should you start? And this is where you'll use Dell EMC's consulting services and flexible consumption models to remove roadblocks and begin the journey to transform IT. So let's go back to that Enterprise Strategy Group survey and look at the results of the customers who were considered transformed. 34% of IT projects were completed ahead of schedule. 34% of software releases were ahead of schedule. And when it came to business impact, this was where it was a huge jump between 44 to 96%. Exceeded revenue targets for the year. At the end of the day, your business needs to ask themselves, are you the disruptors or the disrupted in your industry? How far along is your IT in shifting from supporting businesses' needs to becoming in lockstep with your business? Wherever you are in your transformation journey, Dell EMC has the hardware, software, services, and experience to help, which is why 98% of the Fortune 500 run on Dell technologies today. I hope this was helpful in dissecting what IT transformation actually means and understanding how it's truly the rocket fuel for digital transformation. There are a few different options that we can take as a next step. I'll list them below this video as well as the studies that I referenced. So reach out to me or your account manager to talk about what makes most sense. Thank you for spending some of your valuable time with me today.